Hi you guys, my name is Roxanne Bourbon and welcome to my channel. Today's look is on this really bright, bold, cobalt blue eye look. So this look is actually inspired by my friend Jenni. She asked me to specifically use the color TWERK, this really bright cobalt blue shadow in the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. So that's what I went ahead and I did today. I love how this look turned out. It's really bright and bold and like kind of smoky, but it's still soft because there's no black. I didn't use any black on the eyes at all. It's a good one. It's a winner. With all of that being said, Jenni, again, this one's for you. If you want to learn how to get this Barbie girl vibes, bright, poppin' blue eye look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm just gonna jump into it. I already have my moisturizer on. For primer, I went ahead and I used the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser just around my nose, underneath my eyes, and my cheekbones. And then over the rest of my face, I used the Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in Champagne from Laura Geller. This shit is bomb. Today for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in 118 Light Beige. This stuff is actually really good. I find it to be more of a medium coverage than like a full coverage. We're gonna apply that with our Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. Time for concealer. We're gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C3. This stuff is actually really good. It's been compared to Tarte Shape Tape. I don't think it's the same personally. It has like a lighter feel to it. But it is a really good concealer. Now I'm going to blend it out with my 360 Beauty Sponge. This is the one that has the little, that's been cut to a point. I work with this pretty quickly because the Conceal and Define dries pretty quick. And because I like a really bright under eye, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair and just put it right underneath the eyes. Blend that out. For cream contour, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This shit is bomb. Fire. We're going to go in with Dark 46. Now we're going to blend that out with our Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH08 brush. When I cream contour, I take it and I blend upwards. Buff out the edges and then just blend up. Homegirl is creasing right now. Ooh. With my Coty Airspun, you already know. Along my forehead, laugh lines. To set the rest of the face, I'm going to use my Mabelline Conceal and Perfect powder in Nude 02. Just take that with my fluffy powder brush. Alright, we got some brows. So I'm going to go in with the same beauty sponge that I used to blend out my concealer, and I'm going to blend out all of the concealer that is now on my eyelids. With my JH07, I'm going to brush away the powder that's under my eyes and along the sides of my nose, and then bring that powder up into the eyelid area to set that concealer that we just blended out. To bronze, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M527 brush and my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. It just smells so good. But this brush just gives you like a really natural, a very natural like sun-kissed bronze. Guess who just got home? Ooh, is Daddy home? I know, Mamacitas. She gets so excited when he gets home. Next we're going to go in with blush. I'm going to use the Morphe 8C, the Cool blush palette. I'm going to do something just a little bit more pinky today, so I'm going to go in with this color here. It's called Free, and my Morphe E4 brush. It's just like an angled brush, and we're just going to give ourselves a light kiss of color right on the apples of the cheeks. Alright, so for eyes, Jenni, this one's for you, girl. Like I mentioned before, my really good friend Jen asked me to do a tutorial using this really bright cobalt blue shade in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. It's called TWERK, but I'm also going to be using my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. You have like a ridiculous amount of shadows. It is a large palette, but I love it. It inspires me, honestly. So with this palette, you get the sheet that has all of the color names, and then this big, huge bad boy here. So let's get into it. All right, to start, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's called Create. Take that on an M518 brush. It's just a fluffy blending brush. And we are going to put that in our crease. Since we're doing that really bright blue color twerk, I do want to use a base to really make the blue pop. So I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Blue Velvet. And this will really help that blue pop and come to life. And I'm just going to use like a fluffy paddle brush to kind of blend out. And just go in and pat. We have the base down. I'm going to go in with that color Twerk. This isn't necessary, but I'm going to do it anyways. Give it a light spray. And we're just going to pat it on top of that base. Alright, as an afterthought, because we are using blue, I am actually going to go in with a little bit more translucent powder, and we're going to put it under our eyes. Just in case we get some fallout, because I really don't want to have to redo my face. So to blend these two together, we're going to go back into the Dare to Create palette. We're going to use this shade right here, Passion. We're going to use a Morphe M513. This is a blender brush, but it has a point to it. So we're going to tuck that color right into the blue and just blend the two together so we have a nice gradient effect. So I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the outer corner just a touch with this color here. It's just a matte navy shade. This color is called Indigo. It's just like a really beautiful, deep, like midnight navy. So we're just gonna put that right on the outer corners just to deepen it a touch. All right, beautiful, I love it. That did exactly what I wanted it to. All right, so for inner corner highlight, we're gonna do two different colors. I'm gonna go in with this color here. It's called Sissy. So we're gonna use that as an inner corner highlight, but we're gonna feather up into the blue a little bit. And we're just using a bullet brush. Next, we're gonna go in with this shade here. It's called Faint. This one's more of just like a really bright icy pink. And we're gonna put that right on the inside corner. And this is really gonna help the eyes pop. All right, I am down with it. I'm down with it. I'm feeling myself. So now we're gonna brush away that powder. I'm gonna use my JH06 brush. Now I'm going to go in with that same indigo color and go just along the bottom lash line, but only on the outer corner. With the same brush and that fuchsia color that we put in the crease, we're going to blend that on the inner part of the eye. Now for liner, we're going to go in with our ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in DTLA. It's just a really gorgeous navy. We're going to drag that along our bottom lash line and we're going to tight line. Alright, so we're going to finish off the face. I'm going to go in with my Morphe setting spray. Give our whole face a nice spray. Oh, I love their setting spray. It is just the finest mist and it smells so good. Oh, yum yum. And for highlighter, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold. This is one of the best highlighters I've ever used in my life. Just this formula is to die for. It's so beautiful. It's smooth, it's soft, it's creamy. Hello, hi. Did you go with Daddy for a drive?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Ooh, did you go to Foster's? Yay, thank you.
I already gave her like half of the sweater.
Oh, never mind, you're good. Oh, so good. That highlighter's super pink. I don't want too much pink. I'm gonna go in with the same highlighter, the Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. We're just gonna go right over the top. Give it to me. So I'm gonna curl my lashes using my Tarte eyelash curler and my Maybelline Great Lash in black. So for lashes today, I'm gonna go in with my Ardell Mega Volume. These are amazing. These are new. I have not worn these yet, so I do need to trim them. They look really dense in the package because they are, but they're super fluffy on the eye. I'm just gonna go in with my Star Glue in dark. And we're gonna go in with our Tarteist Lash Applicators and pop those babies on. This glue is amazing. It stays all day. I'm not a fan of the Duo Lash Glue. For one thing, it smells like ass. I feel like it doesn't work that great. Like if my eyes start watering, my lashes will lift. With this glue, my lashes will stay on all day, all night. I have nothing to worry about. All right, we are back. Sorry, my camera battery died, so I went ahead and did a couple things off camera. I just applied some of my mascara to my falsies just to kind of like bring the false lashes to life, have them a little bit more apparent. I'm here. So I went ahead and did that. My eyebrows were starting to pull a disappearing act. You know, a little bit happens. So I went in with my ColourPop brow pencil in Redhead. It's a little bit deeper than Dope Taupe. So I went ahead and just went over the tails just a pinch, just to, you know, bring it together again. I went in with my ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. Now we're gonna finish up the look here. For lips, I want to do a nude, a very light nude because the eyes are really bright. So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. And then I'm going to top it with my ColourPop lipstick in Boy. And I'm just going to blot my lips together to get it to blend. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I love how it came out. It's really bright, but it's still smoky at the same time. It's very bold. I love like the fuchsia pink with the purple and the blue. It ties in so beautifully. This look is perfect for like spring, fall, summer. You can wear this look any time of year. I decided to pair it with a nude lip because it is a bit bold. I love how it came out. It's very smoky and it's really sexy and colorful. It's very playful and I fuck with it. I'm definitely getting like Barbie vibes from it, or like Mean Girl vibes. I don't know why, but it just feels right. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this look. Kind of let me know like when you would want to wear this look. If you would wear it during spring, summer. If there's any particular look that anybody out there would think this look would be like perfect for, let me know what you guys think. And don't forget, of course, to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.